Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings. Then you have to enter display section. And here you have this option night light. You can switch it here. You can change its intensity here. And you can also add a schedule for this mode. For example, you can set up your own custom time, or you can just set it to turn on from sunset to sunrise, like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.